Where are you going?
Oh no.
What? What? What are you doing? You're slobbering all over my... Robin, that's not very nice. Now you stop that. Where are you going? Why are you doing that? Look at my knees all wet. Now you better stop that.
Oh no.
All right, all right.
I want to do more, Granddad.
No, that's enough. That's enough.
I want to do more.
That's enough. All right, all right.
She is stuck in a loop.
All right.
Boy, he's in a good mood or something today.
What?
Oh,
What are you doing? What are you doing? Oh. Whoa. Oh. Whoa. No, I think you better stop.
No more.
I think you better stop.
No more.
Oh.
Oh
What?
my God. Oh, you're getting all slobbered up. No more.
You can't take long stuff, huh?
What's the matter?
You don't have any short clips, do you? Because I can't put long ones on.